Wearing a tummy tucker is a must, whether you're wearing it for a sari, whether you're wearing it for a dress.
And try to cover up the front part in a nice way so that the bride looks slim.
Yeah, I think so many shapers are available today.
It's not comfortable for the long time. 3 hours, 4 hours, we tight saree,
Below and give out a very sexy or gorgeous style.
But you know what, end of the day when you sit and get up, it's still going to look nice and it's all going to be in place.
I feel tying the saree tight actually gives out, makes the bride look more fluffier. That is a very wrong way of tying the saree. Usually we tie the saree skirt below the stomach, and try to cover up the front part in a nice way so that the bride looks slimmer. Moreover, there are certain designers who design the blouses nowadays in a choli kind, where they increase the width of the blouse below and give out a very sexy or gorgeous style behind at the back. So this really helps. This has helped a lot of my brides, whenever I suggest them when they ask this question to me. Moreover, wearing a mermaid kind of inner skirt helps to bring out the curves naturally out.
Wearing a tummy tucker is a must, whether you're wearing it for a sari, whether you're wearing it for a dress. Yeah, I think so many shapers are available today. So please pick up one. Yeah, and when we drape the sari also, yes, our artist kind of ask you to really hold your breath so tight. But you know what, end of the day when you sit and get up, it's still going to look nice and it's all going to be in place. So we try and squeeze the fat as much as we can. But yes, using a tummy tucker is a must.
Tight saree draping I don't prefer. It's not comfortable for the long time. 3 hours, 4 hours, tight saree, tight so just a proper shape saree draping neat it looks very normal and slimmer. Shapers lehengas use but saree shapers we cannot use because on the sides visible chances. So normal saree draping